find all k such that the equation x square plus 2 into k plus 2 into x plus 9k is equal to 0 as equal root okay Nana? We will observe in this one. First we'll write given equation that we have to write 1 into x square plus 2 of k plus 2 into x plus 9k is equal to 0. Given one can compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We know that the values of a, b and c, where a will become 1, b will become 2 of k plus 2. After that, c will become 9k. Already we will discuss in previous class, if a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has equal roots means their discriminant is equal to 0. Here also will write given equation has equal roots. Given equation has equal roots means here will write their discriminant is equal to 0 will write. Their discriminant is equal to 0 will write. Where discriminant is equal to 0 means that I will write b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here what about the value of b here? 2 into k plus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 9k is equal to 0 will write. We will observe in this one. Again we have to expand in this one. 2 square will write 4 into k plus 2 whole square minus 4 into 9k is equal to 0 will write. I will common for remaining. We have to expand k plus 2 whole square. K square plus 4k minus 9k is equal to 0. 0 by any value will become 0. Remaining we have to write k square minus 5k plus 4 is equal to 0. The factors we have to write. Okay, k square coefficient is 1, constant is 4, 1 into 4 that I will write 4. Here we will take minus 4 and minus 1. When it is satisfies their multiplication, after will satisfy their addition. Their addition will become minus 5. We'll observe. Given one can be written as k square minus 4k minus k plus 4 equal to 0. I will common k, remaining we have to write k minus 4. Again I will common minus 1, remaining we have to write k minus 4 equal to 0. Here the common term is k minus 4, remaining that we have to write k minus 1 is equal to 0. That I will write k is equal to 1 or 4. That I will write k is equal to 1 or 4. Okay, Nana? After now I am going to next one, that is next example. We show that the roots of the equation x square minus 2px plus p square minus q square plus 2qr minus r square equal to 0 are rational. Given that p comma q comma r are rational. We will observe. First we will write their given equation, that is nothing but x square minus 2px plus p square minus q square plus 2qr minus r square equal to 0. Given one will write in the form of a quadratic equation that is of the form 1 into x square plus half minus 2p into x plus remaining will write p square minus q square plus 2qr minus r square is equal to 0 will write. Given one can compare with ax square plus dx plus c is equal to 0 will write. Okay, we have to compare in this one where a is 1, b is minus 2p. After that, c is p square minus q square plus 2qr minus r square will write. Okay, by the problem, okay, given equation are rational. We will prove of given equation is rational means I will take their discriminant. First, I will take their discriminant. Delta is equal to what is the formula here? B square minus 4ac. Here will write minus 2p whole square minus 4 into 1 into remaining will write p square minus q square plus 2qr minus r square will write. Okay, I will expand this one that I will write 4p square. Okay, minus 4p square plus 4q square minus 4 to what about the value 8qr minus into minus will become plus 4r square will write. We will observe plus 4p square and minus 4p square will be cancelled. Remaining we have to write. I will common to 4. Remaining we have to write q square plus r square minus 2qr will write. Okay, we will observe in this one given one when it is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. Again that we have to write 4 into q minus r whole square will write. That means given one can be written as 2 into q minus r whole square will write. This is the value of delta. We will observe the square of any number is always positive. That I will take greater than 0. Why? Because of we will take their value is minus 2. Their whole square will take minus 2 whole square is also 2. This is also positive. We will observe. I will told in previous class. Delta greater than 0 and given delta value is a perfect square, then given equation is a rational number. That I will write delta greater than 0 and delta is a perfect square then the roots of given equation are rational. మీరు ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఓన్లీ డెల్టా గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 అయ్యింది, దాని యొక్క రూట్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ కానట్లయితే then the roots are real and distinct, or real and unequal, or real and not equal. Okay, here given delta is greater than 0 and also it is a perfect square, the roots of given equation are rational. After now I am going to next problem. Form a quadratic equation whose roots are I will take the first one is 3 and minus 2. Second one is 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. And again the third one is minus a plus ib and minus A minus IB. After we'll take the fourth one is P alpha and P beta. P alpha and P beta. Okay, observe. Form a quadratic equation whose roots are given. Already we know that one formula, that is if alpha comma beta be the roots of A, be the roots of A. Observe, alpha comma beta be the roots of A. Quadratic equation is quadratic equation is quadratic equation is, will observe. What is the quadratic equation? If alpha comma beta be the roots of a quadratic equation is, here we'll write x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha z beta will become 0. We'll observe. Here two roots are given. One root is alpha equal to 3, another root beta is equal to minus 2. We'll write. Let alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 2. We'll write. How to expand in this one, that I will write x square minus 3 plus of minus 2 means minus 2 into x plus 3 into minus 2 will become 0. 3 into minus 2 will become 0. That I will write x square minus 1 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. In this we have to write x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, again now I am going to second one. Here also will given two roots. I will take, let alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3 and after that beta is equal to 2 minus root 3 will take. Here also will write if alpha comma beta be the roots of a quadratic equation, be the roots of a quadratic equation is, what we have to write, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. First we'll find the value of alpha plus beta, where alpha plus beta. First we'll write the value of alpha is 2 plus root 3 plus beta is 2 minus root 3, minus and plus will be cancelled. 2 plus 2 is 4 will write. After that alpha beta is equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 will write, that is the value 2 square minus root 3 whole square. Square and root will be cancelled. Remaining we have to write 4 minus 3, that value is 1. I have to substitute in this both values, where alpha plus beta will become 4. After that alpha beta is 1, that I will write x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the second one. After now I am going to third one. We'll observe. Again, now I am going to third one. Here also will given the two roots, that I will take alpha and beta. First we'll write their value of alpha. That is alpha is nothing but minus a plus ib. And again we'll take beta is equal to minus a minus ib will write. What we have to write their given condition? If alpha comma beta be the roots of a, quadratic equation is what we have to write? I will write x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta will become 0. Given one we have to find out their alpha plus beta and alpha beta. First we'll find out alpha plus beta, that I will write minus a plus ib, minus a minus ib will write. We will observe plus ib and minus ib will cancel. Remaining value is minus 2a. This is the value of alpha plus beta. After we'll find their value alpha beta, where alpha is minus a plus ib into beta is minus a minus ib will write. Okay, given one when it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that I will write minus a whole square minus I square b square will write minus a whole square means a square, where I square will become minus 1 minus into minus is plus b square will write. That is the value of alpha beta. I have to write in this given equation that I will write x square minus, where alpha plus beta is minus 2 minus of minus 2a into x plus alpha beta is a square plus b square is equal to 0. We'll observe in this one minus into minus will become plus, that I will write x square plus 2ax plus a square plus b square is equal to 0. After now I am going to last problem, that is p alpha and p beta. Here also let alpha will take p alpha and beta will take p beta will write. Beta will write, p beta will write. Here I will write one condition, that is if alpha gamma beta be the roots of a quadratic equation is what I have to write, that I will write x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Here we'll find the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is nothing but p alpha plus p beta. I will common p, remaining I have to write alpha plus beta. After we'll find the value of alpha beta. Alpha beta is nothing but p alpha into p beta. That is nothing but p square into alpha beta will write. I have to substitute in these two values, that I will write x square minus, where alpha plus beta is nothing but p of alpha plus beta into x, where alpha beta is nothing but p square into alpha beta is equal to 0. Again we have to expand in this one, that I will write x square minus p alpha plus p beta into x plus p square alpha beta is equal to 0. This is the given equation we'll write. After now I am going to next one, that is example 1. Find the roots of the equation. Find the roots of the equation. What is given equation? 3x square plus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. After I will write the second one is, second one example 2 will write find all the roots of the equation 4x square minus 4x plus 17 is equal to 3x square minus 10x minus 17. After now I am going to third one, that is root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. Find the roots of the equations. This is example 1. This is example 2. This is example 3. First now I am going to first one, that is, okay, 3x square plus 2x minus 5 will become 0. Okay, given one can be written as bx square plus 2x plus of minus 5 equal to 0. Given one can compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Observe in this one. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Then the roots of a given quadratic equation is formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a will write. We have to apply their values. That I will write x equal to b is 2. That I will write minus 2 plus or minus root of 2 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 5 by 2 into 3 will write. I would expand in this one that I will write minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 minus into minus will become plus. Okay, 3 5 15, 15 4 60 by the denominator is 6. That I will write minus 2 plus or minus root of 64 is nothing but 8 square. Square and root will be cancelled. Remaining we have to write 6. That is x is equal to minus 2 plus 8 by 6 or minus 2 minus 8 by 6 will write. That is x equal to 6 by 6 is 1 or minus 10 by 6 is nothing but minus 5 by 3. These are the degree of a given equation is 2. The roots of given equation are also 2. After now I am going to second one. What I am asking in second one, that is 4x square minus 4x plus 17 is equal to 3x square minus 10x minus 17 will write. Observe, this value will become this side. That I will write 4x square minus 3x square minus 4x plus 10x 17 plus 17 is equal to 0. Observe, 4x square minus 3x square is x square. That I will write 1 into x square. 10x లో నుంచి 4x subtract చేస్తే remaining 6x plus 34 will become 0. Even one can compare with ax square plus bx plus c will become 0. We have to write the values of a, b, c. After we will find their roots means that I will write x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a will write. We have to apply their values. That is x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 34 by their denominator is 2 into 1 will write. That means x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 34 into 4, 4, 4, 16, 4, 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 will become 13. That I will write minus 136 by the denominator is 2. You will observe, given one can be written as x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of minus 100 by 2. Okay, root of minus 100 that I will write root of 1 square into 10 square that I will write 10i whole square where square and root will be cancelled. Remaining we have to write 10i. That is the value x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 10i by 2. I will common 2. Remaining we have to write minus 3 plus or minus 5i by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Then the remaining values are x equal to minus 3 plus 5y or minus 3 minus 5. These are the two roots of the given equation. After now I am going to third one. Root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. Given one can be written as root 3x square plus 10x plus of minus 8 root 3 will become 0. Given one can compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We know that the values of a, b, c. After we will write the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Have to apply their values. That I will write x is equal to minus 10 plus or minus root of 10 square minus 4 into root 3 into minus 8 root 3 by the denominator is 2 root 3 will write. That is the value x equal to minus 10 plus or minus root of 100. Minus into minus will become plus. Will observe. Here the value is 4. Okay, 4 3 is 12. 12 into 8. 8 to 16. 96 will write. 96 by their denominator is 2 root 3 will write. That is minus 10 plus or minus root of 196 is nothing but 14 square by their denominator is 2 root 3. Square and root will be cancelled. Remaining we have to write minus 10 plus 14 by 3 ORR minus 10 minus 14 by 2 root 3 will write. That is the value is x equal to, that is the value x is equal to 4 by 2 root 3 ORR minus 24 by 2 root 3 will write. 2 ones, 2 twos, 4, that I will write x is equal to 2 by root 3 ORR minus 12 by root 3 will write. After now I am going to example 4 and example 5. What I am asking in example 4 and example 5, find the nature of the roots of, find the nature of the roots of, first one is 4x square minus 20x plus 25 equal to 0. After that second one is 3x square plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. In previous class, I will told their discriminants. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Okay, we have to divide their nature of roots will be 3 conditions. That is, the first condition is delta greater than 0 means the roots are real and distinct. After that, delta is equal to 0 means the roots are real and equal. After now I am going to third one, that is delta less than 0 means the roots are no real roots or imaginary roots or complex conjugate roots will write. First will write there, first one, that is the value is 4x square minus 20x plus 25 equal to 0. Here will write there a is 4. After that b is minus 20, c is 25 will write. First we'll find the discriminant. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is b is nothing but minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 25 will write. Minus 20 whole square is nothing but 400. 25 4 100. 100 into 4 is 400. That is 400 minus 400 is equal to 0. That is the value. Delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0 means what is the nature of roots? The roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. After now I am going to second one. That is the value is 3x square plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here also will write their values. Their a is 3, b is 7, c is equal to 2 will write. That is the value. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is 7 square minus 4 into 3 into 2 will write. That is 49 minus 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. That is the value is 25. Will observe. Delta is equal to 25. 25, that we have to write 5 square. 5 square is greater than 0. Here we'll write. Given one is delta greater than 0 and that is delta greater than 0 and delta is a perfect square. Perfect square. Then the roots of given equation has rational roots. Already we'll discuss this type of problem. Only delta value greater than 0 అయితే దాని యొక్క రూట్స్ రియల్ అండ్ డిస్టెంట్ ఆర్ రియల్ అండ్ అన్ఈక్వల్ ఆర్ రియల్ అండ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్. బట్ డెల్టా అనేది గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 అయ్యుండి మరియు పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ అయితే the roots of given equation has rational. The roots of given equation has rational. After now I am going to next one. Now I am going to example 6. For what values of m the equation x square minus 2 into 1 plus 3m into x plus 7 into 3 plus 2m is equal to 0 will have equal roots. Already we'll discuss this type of problem. Okay, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, have equal roots. Have equal roots means their discriminant is equal to 0. This is condition. We note them. Given quadratic equation has equal roots means their discriminant is equal to 0. Here, for what values of m, the equation will have equal roots. Given equation has equal roots means given one also will write delta is equal to 0. First, we'll write their equation, that is 1 into x square plus of minus 2 into 1 plus 3m into x. After that, 7 into 3 plus 2m is equal to 0 will write. Okay, given one we will have compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We know that the values of a, b and c. Okay, I will write one condition, that is given equation has, what is given? Equation have equal roots. This is the given condition. Given equation have equal roots means that I will take delta is equal to 0 will write. Delta is nothing but b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Where the given b value is minus 2 into 1 plus 3m whole square minus 4 into 1 into where c is 7 into 3 plus 2m will become 0. That I will write. How would I expand in this one? That I will write 4 into 1 plus 3m whole square minus 4 7s 28 into remaining we have to write. Or I will write 4 into 7 into, how to multiply this one, that I will write 7 3s 21 plus 7 2s 14m is equal to 0. I will common 4 will become the side, that is the given value is 0. Remaining we have to expand 1 plus 9m square plus 6m minus 21 minus 14m is equal to 0 will write. That is 9m square, okay, minus 8m minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, this will write, will observe their m square coefficient is 9 into minus 20 is minus 180. This is when satisfies their multiplication. After will satisfies their addition will become minus 8. I will take minus 10 and 8. Minus 10 and 8 will take 9 into 9m square minus 8m minus 20. 9 into minus 20 is minus 120. That I will take the values. What I have to take? Here does not satisfy this one. Even one can be written as where the roots m is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a will write, that is m is equal to minus of minus 8 is 8 plus or minus root of minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 9 into minus 20 by their denominator is 2 into 9 will write, that is the value m is equal to 8 plus or minus root of 64 minus into minus will become plus 248. Okay, 248 8972 plus 720 by their denominator is 8, right? I would extend in this one, that I will write m is equal to 8 plus or minus root of 784 by 18 will write, 784 by 18 will write. What is the root will become? The root is what is the root? 30 square is 900, 28 square is 4, 8 square is 16, 2 2 is 4, 4 8 32, that is the value 637, 736. After we'll take 9 does not satisfy. That is the value is 28 whole square is nothing but 784. That is the value m is equal to 8 plus or minus root of 28 whole square. 28 whole square by 18 will write. Square and root will be cancelled. Remaining we have to write 8 plus 28 by 18, comma 8 minus 28 by 18 will write, that is the value m is equal to 36 by 18, comma minus 28 minus 8 will become 20 by 18 will write, 18 1, 18 2, okay, 2 9, 2 10, that is the value is m is equal to 2r minus 10 by 9. 2r minus 10 by 9. Okay, Nana. Later now I am going to example 7. That is most important for 2 marks in IP point of view. If alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube in terms of a comma b comma c. We will observe this is most important for 2 marks. What I am giving in this one, if alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, given that if alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that implies that alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 means here we'll write their sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and their product of zeros alpha beta is equal to c by a will write. But first one can be written as alpha square plus beta square in terms of ABC. First we'll write alpha square plus beta square is equal to. We know one formula, a plus b whole square will written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, but here we have to find out a square plus b square. Given value will become this side, that I will write a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab will write. A plus b whole square minus 2ab will write. We'll observe. Here also let a is equal to alpha, b is equal to beta will apply. That I will write alpha square plus beta square is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta will write. Where alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a minus b by a whole square minus 2 into c by a will write. That is the value is b square by a square minus 2c by a. Will observe here the given denominator has a square, here given denominator is a. The numerator and denominator can multiplying and dividing by a, that I will write b square minus 2ac by a square will write. That is the value of alpha square plus beta square. Later now I am going to second one, that is alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, here I will write the formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b will write. Okay, this value will become this side, that I will write a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b will write. Here also we will substitute, let a with alpha and b with beta will write. B with beta will write. That means given one can expand this one, that I will write alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta, right? Where alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a, that I will write minus b by a whole cube minus 3 into c by a into minus b by a will write. That is the value minus b cube by a cube, minus into minus will become plus 3bc by a into a is a square. Here the numerator and denominator can multiplying and dividing by a, that I will write minus b cube by a cube plus 3abc by a cube will write. Here we have to write their order, that I will write 3abc minus b cube by a cube will write. This is the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. This is most important for 2 marks in SSC point of view, sir, IP point of view. అన్నా నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 8 చూడండి. ఫార్మ్ ఏ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ హూస్ రూట్స్ ఆర్ 2 root 3 minus 5 and minus 2 root 3 minus 5. Here 2 roots are given, one is alpha, another one is beta. If you write alpha comma beta be the roots of a quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0 will write. Already I will explain this type of problems in example. After now I am going to next example, that is example 9. Let alpha and beta be the roots of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if c does not equal to 0, then form the quadratic equation whose roots are 1 minus alpha by alpha and 1 minus beta by beta. 1 minus alpha by alpha and 1 minus beta by beta. Will observe. Let alpha comma beta be the roots of a quadratic equation. Let alpha comma beta be the roots of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Observe. So alpha comma beta be the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then that implies, here we'll write that two conditions. One is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. After I will write the second condition, alpha beta is equal to c by a will write. Alpha beta is equal to c by a will write. But in this problem, what I am asking, okay, find a quadratic equation whose roots are 1 minus alpha by alpha and 1 minus beta by beta. I will write, if 1 minus alpha by alpha and 1 minus beta by beta be the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then that implies what I have to write. Actually the formula is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Wherever I will write where alpha is nothing but 1 minus alpha by alpha, 1 minus alpha by alpha. Later their beta value is 1 minus beta by beta plus into x plus where alpha beta, here will write 1 minus alpha by alpha into 1 minus beta by beta is equal to 0 will write. This is make equation number 1. First we'll find this value. After we'll find this value, finally we have to substitute in 1, then form a quadratic equation. That I will write. First we'll find 1 minus alpha by alpha plus 1 minus beta by beta is equal to, here by using the cross multiplication, that I will write beta minus alpha beta plus alpha minus alpha beta by their denominator, that I will write alpha beta. Here we'll write in this one alpha plus beta minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta will write. What about the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a minus 2 into c by a by their denominator alpha beta is nothing but c by a, that I will write minus b minus 2c by a, their denominator is c by a and a will be cancelled, remaining we have to write minus b plus 2c by c. This is the value of 1 minus alpha by alpha plus 1 minus beta by beta will write. After we'll find their multiplication. That is nothing but 1 minus alpha by alpha into 1 minus beta by beta is equal to what? I have to write 1 minus beta minus alpha plus alpha beta by their denominator is alpha beta will write. That is nothing but 1 minus, I will common minus 1 minus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta by alpha beta will write. That is 1 minus, where alpha plus beta is nothing but minus c by a plus alpha beta is c by a. Their denominator is c by a will write. That is, okay, minus into minus will become plus. That I will write a plus b plus c by a. Their denominator also c by a will write. A and a will be cancelled. Remaining we have to write a plus b plus c by c will write. This is the value of 1 minus alpha into 1 minus beta by beta. After now I am going to from 1, what I have to write in this given condition. Here now I am going to from 1. Here will we know that the values of 1 minus alpha by alpha plus 1 minus beta by beta, that I will write x square minus, we know that this value will write in this one. That means minus of b plus 2c by c into x. Later I will write in this given one, that is a plus b plus c by c is equal to 0. We'll observe minus into minus will become plus. That I will write x square plus b plus 2c into x by c plus a plus b plus c by c is equal to 0. Their denominator will take c, that is the value. By the problem, c does not is equal to 0 is given. This is the given quadratic equation will appear.